Me say, you Rana, give me 2 gloves. Give me 2 gloves. Me want 2. And give her 2. And make we test and see. If this woman, if I don't bite me, I fi bite her up and then sit there if you win a fair fight. If we have a fight for 10 minutes, me can bang.
For more civilized age.
What that a day? Do this on na. Fear major make your girl feel pleasure. I may say turn it up another notch, you know. Hey, girl, come wine pan the kono. Fear major make your wine pan the kono. I may say the artist YouTuber right now. Turn it up another notch. Fear major, bust them head top.
God knows what I go through every day and every minute of my life. Bad mind won't take me straight. Me know you're down for training and me not like the life.
Up top. You don't know if you just there up on a brand new show, a fresh new show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of the viewers them. And all who not subscribe it, nothing at all change. The door is always open, so I know if you go do. But on this show, we have the Sky God currently in at the hot seat, who we have speak of a dancehall reggae star, Cargo. It has been reported that the entertainer mash up his wife after the two of them getting into an argument. Based off of information we get from credible outlets, it's like Cargo did a school him son, and his wife never like how him deal with it. So she step in and I saw two of them end up at it. It has been reported that Cargo slap her out of one dumbbell. I don't know, dumbbell is a weightlifting equipment used for building muscle, so that's supposed to well at. Anyways, the entertainer wife Francine dropped charges, so the artist free up back. Now we have Cargo explain what went down between him and his wife. Him basically show the people him say his wife did out for whoop him ass. Plus him is sick with the outbreak, and that make him weak and tired. So in a one way it look like she did out for mash him up, and that's how Cargo has said. Remember, we not do instigating job around here. So here we go and make a hurry up and kick off the show under one vibes, then we get straight into the update. People, we'll be right back.
Now make you stand in my way. God picking me anointed by the Almighty. Watch my blessings just a flow down in a silence. No matter what me do for them, them fight.
Just up for real riches. And you Tiana man, cause you no fear the kids, I pray you live. Just sit down and wait for easy things. Try go around me, fake rims must soar like eagle wings. Man, I tell you about power.
Some people fuck up on them just can't change. They make them change up on your good ways. Go and live your life. Do your thing, go and hold your own space. Remember perseverance win race. Can't clown me, can't clown me, can't clown me.
So Cargo and his wife kick off. The entertainer me couldn't know straightforward. Him and his wife pop war. It wasn't a one-way thing with him a beat her. Him basically a show say she a fight back. She almost overpower him. Anyways, Francine and his wife dropped the charges. The only problem with Cargo face now is his wife gone. Them no divorce, but in my opinion she just a breeze him liquor. Anyways, the artist all went further and a show say from she left. Him no give him palm arrest. Yes people, Cargo a tell we brawling say him ice the kite from him wife gone. When you feel a joke, hear it from Cargo himself. Check out what go on.
Oh, you must think independent woman are going to turn up and make no man beat them. Boy, you know how me that life it can't beat Francine like a little baby, but no, it's so they have fight, we have to fight. Me that life you know say me have the upper, but me not no upper hand with that girl. That girl have a fight back, and that me I tell you. Me can't even win a talking contest with Francine. Man, you go suck, you don't know my wife like body, I body this girl never do, so go suck on the woman go. He have to fight. Just like how we have to fight a courthouse, we have to fight to put food on our plate. Sometimes we have to physically fight and crash up too. You understand? I mean, I'm going to tell you now what we really fight over and how long was the fight. But you know, act like a human being. Man, God, let me tell you something. Lion there with all woman and he kill the fucking picking because he don't want to see no man picnic. You understand what I'm saying? You think me can fight Francine? Pussy will not see Francine bigger than me. All that me I try to tell you. How bad me I feel bad for Francine no pop switch and beat me. Man, you go chuck off in the family and man, no bumbo wall tear no want. First thing you can't tear me down. Yes, we fight. And she will come back because me still have a next scrap of fight. That's bumbo can't take my thing for. Any woman me there with me I feel test your badness. Any woman me down with me if it test your badness, you say you're bad. So we come to Jamaica, the land of ass whooping. And she try to whoop me ass enough time and it just escalate to whisper. Boy, I can't believe says not a man that beat me. I couldn't believe. And me retaliate and it end up whisper. Brother, I'm tell you something. In a fight is a fight. And not me alone a fight. See how you fight yourself alone, you thump wall. Me never thump no wall, sir. See a king Bumbo Clap Thunder, you think say man and wife na fight. Empress Lightning never take no lick for King Thunder. You ever see Lightning afraid of Thunder yet? Eh? Me say me wish me could have turned over Francine for me lap and give her wedge and beat her like how your daddy murder your mama. Eh? And that me I try to tell you now. Every girl when me ever there with me and them fight. Before you can run off your mouth for other girl, me have to test your badness first. And me tell you say no, you can't beat she. You not ready to test she. You not ready to test it. But Francine a bad girl. First thing Francine athletic more than me. Me can't fight Francine. If me never take up that little piece of sitting there to take off this wild animal off of me, ain't gonna fling me over there so 3-story high. Man, you go suck on no more. Sometimes I defend man, I defend themselves too. Fuck gonna take this thing for? Oh no must say thing Francine and tie up my kind. And my wife. Oh, me not doing no stooge. At least me know say now when me and Francine go road, me can't just left her fit box down one and no pussy one, you know, wild girl where I act like you know respect how the thing work. Let me tell you know something. Yes, me go a court and me like it because it make me know say me fi stay far from out that problem. See, sometimes when you must feel say the devil put stick in your way. Sometimes God show a light post in for you because the devil did have something bigger down there for you. But suck on yourself here, man. Me go tie up in the court and not even one word you not say to me away from me. You read one something where my wife say and say, let me tell you something. Don't lock up me nice, beautiful husband, you know. If you lock up me nice, beautiful husband, on you in a problem. Nobody in I court know where cargo come in there for them think I want traffic ticket. Or them think I octane or sizzler me buck up down a Mandeville bus park and box them down. Them don't know what me come a court for. See, them think say assassin me see and shot him 2 ears as because we don't know a 3 artist enemy me have. Musically, it was nothing like that. Nobody in the court know what cargo come in there for. Me buck up on one girl I never know say she a police and me and her girl in the same house. She don't even know me because the first people I see me with ballad. Go suck on yourself. And the same police will take the thing. I can tell you, say, and him same one send off the thing to any whisper to the seat because me refuse to give me money. Me refuse to give me money because he might call want me money. And me not give no money. Me say the only way this a case I can drop is my wife have to drop it. And if Francine did come to court, me say, Your Honor, give me 2 gloves. Give me 2 gloves. Me want 2. And give her 2. And make we test and see. If this woman, if I don't bite me, I have to bite her up and then sit there if you win a fair fight. If we are going to fight for 10 minutes, me can tell you something. Francine win around 6 out of it. And through me Changa as a man down for the final furlong. Me have a dominate, go suck on the moment go here, man. Bumbo Clap to take this thing for. You know road never easy. This road never easy. Yes, we fight. Me miss a fight. Me miss a fight after we fight, we fuck. Bumbo Clap to take this thing for. You think so me a idiot? Oh, you think you can tear me down and tarnish me down and mash me? Brother, the more I try to tear down my thing, the more God make my thing larger. You know, since I'm the hungry artist with spot now look to nobody for nothing. Me not look to no this Jackie, no radar man, nothing. Me just sit down right there and God just bless me. Every day me sit down, sound man come and send blessing come to me. Every sound man and then girl fight. Every man and them baby mother fight. Them a new girl, you have to fight them back. Because of them first a fire truck and them a fire push. And sometimes me fire too. But me face it. And so woman feel like you know to chat to them. So you know see Francine a stocious bad girl. She just feel like say no man no fi chat to her certain kind of way. Man you know go suck on yourself. I know what I was going into. See? Let me tell you something, I don't know where Francine gone. But one of man, go take her up. And me alone kinda can rule Francine. 7 years now me there with her and kind of can Francine, can roll Francine a wild animal. Yes, and that is my wife. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Me know what me there with. Me know say, me did there with so I get respect, me can't just come in and say, yo, go do this. Me can't run any type of joke there with Francine. A fight is a fight. I don't know who I go win. But where you know there when she win the bumbo cloud fight? Oh, no must think that true Francine pretty and Francine look nice. You don't think Francine is all that nice? Francine is not all that nice. Francine I go fight back, and that me I try to tell you. True me know that she I go fight back, me keep me fighting and me I hit make me always a win the fight when we do fight. Because this woman don't make me fight out me. Make me tell you something. We say we go married and he say for better or for worse. Sometimes the worst don't mean say I crash out the road. So sometimes the worst means say me I go fight. What you no check say? Francine I go sit down and make me box up her pretty little body. But still me can't tell you say. Me never ever get to put her ears as for Francine. Yo Kai boy. Come here. Hello, see somebody come and shot there. Yo. Yo boy. Oh wait, kid. May I come? Every other woman I me ever there with, me walk away with a trophy. A badness trophy. Me can't say that about Francine, so me walk away with the badness trophy. The badness trophy, if you put her ears as per your woman and she don't retaliate. Me not get to do that with my man, I don't go suck on yourself here, man. You know what's the thing, sir? A war zone. I go on police, boy, what you want? What you want to buy?
I'm buying pain pill.
Pain pill? Alright, me a forward here, my dog. War, them a try war me, you know, Kai boy. That thing them a try kill me off, yes? Dog, them a try kill me off. Bad dog try kill me, see? And me fight back bad dog and me don't want to blame me alone, Kai boy. Tell me, I tell you, boy. You see the type of thing here? Yeah, get red car. Yeah? Alright, General, I go upstairs go see because remember we pull on my place. Stay right there so don't come up a step here. Because that step I make me in my war right now. Oh, I know what I feel like. Brother, let me tell you something. You think liquor nourishment? Why me talk about school from me at 12 years old? Teacher try to beat me and I fight. All me know if you do is fight. Me don't know how to do nothing else. Me a warmonger my youth. Me a go tell you God Almighty truth. Me a warmonger, sir. But let me tell you now, it's not all the time it is me wrong. Me not gonna say none I wrong on my own, but goddamn man, me can't so wicked. Everything happen. A car go wrong. Me can't even quarter wrong one at a time, brother. Why do I tell you, boy? Me never do nothing good yet in my life. Every time I just me wrong. No, so almost Satan make me. I got stuck on a daddy dick, man. Everything. Me never do nothing good yet. Tell them say me don't know how much for this one, Dr. Sean. I wonder if
It's 200.
It's 200. It's a 100, give me another. So I don't know if I this. So let me say. Tell him so when Sean come with that, and when Sean come with talk. I don't know how much feet here. Tell him so later, I don't know if I forget change. And come back. No, sir. True, you know why me have no money. Every little thing you know try to tear me down and sabotage. Eh? Because suck on yourself when you think say me a back down from home stay. Brother, me just a be myself. All food me fight for. Everything I me. Dirty junk crowd. You know just love stay from far. Yes. Make we villainize him now. Yo, we get a hold on him now. Suck on yourself, man. Could kill him off. Like and share too. I don't know, I don't do Instagram. You know. I don't do Instagram because some man they on Instagram I look like them I look at Instaman, you know. When you come and act like, so I know what I do. Oh no, you never see when I me have Zara for 7 years and I change in Pampas and have Bentley park up downstairs but I ride riding for my bicycle every morning in a cold. I have to put on gloves. Oh no, see that. Oh no, see that dirty junk. Oh no, wish you did the say me rock up in the bar. Francine can't lock up this a nice husband and she just try to give me a scare tactics. Because she never knows that level of badness there in me. Man, you know, God name, remember say I rape you, no daddy rape you, no mama and get on you know. And when your daddy asleep with your mama, sister, your mama, you know. So when you just mix up, it make you no quick to jump to things, so. Quick to jump to things, you know, dirty Jamaica. Let me tell you something. And the boy, them was part of scam of them and no love. But a hard-working youth. Let me tell you something. I can tell you, say, if Pastor Blair wife willing to talk the truth, she and the wife fight too. You hear? Man not take care of it in my youth. Man just fuck girl and go about them business. Woman in them modern days are only need. Fi take off Buster Manti face off for every dollar and put on the good man them face pan it. Every evening my wife come for work, she get a hot meal. Go suck on the woman go. You understand? Yes, me and my woman fight. We fight or fuck. And I love fight. You say you take it good and it bad will come with me. Cuss in a relationship and he said teeth and tongue surely shall meet. Like and share. Because you see them a try to tear down the thing. Star everybody around you. You can't go and wife fight. Yes, anytime you see a man and a woman a fight and a man have to take up one little 3 pound sitting in her hand. It means that the woman when a open backside. Because me have COVID, you know. And my heart a wheeze. I open me I get. Go suck with the woman going. Nothing. Me defend myself because me did I get my ass whoop. Fuck you take this thing for man. Oh you think Francine and no girl we are turned over and say, me husband get the belt, me rude, come spank me. Not even back as Francine no want take because she don't want me slap her. Francine no take slap my out. You have fight the only way and Francine can't slap up unless you no fight. Fuck you take this thing for my out. So if you just sit down and make woman beat me, we fight. And Francine now sit down and make me beat. And we fight. So if you just sit down and have artists a kill me, brother kill me, mother kill me, Lord Jesus, so me enough we fight. Me is a fight and Francine know that from day one say me is a boy will fight. All me dumpling me fighting on my plate. Me always look somebody to fight. And that's why me stay away from people my own. Let me tell you something. This house is so big which part my wife could have gone in any part of my apartment down there so, and apartment round there so, and the wall up on the 2nd floor she could have go all over there so. See? She could have go down and like chicken coop and I care zero. Me just want to know say my wife is down there. When me and you fight a foreigner, me do me go downstairs and go sleep on the floor. But for some reason, me don't want in a Jamaica you're gone. And that is the only problem we have. But everybody fight. Dirty liar, junker, hypocrite, you know. Who whisked girl fire so this morning? And then man no fight. God said, hypocrite will never see my face. And me is a youth with party. Yes, we fight. But Francine is not like some other girl with part. Me have to come and give her one ears and give her one slap and say, hey, you don't know, so you shouldn't do this. You are dead, dirty Janko, you are dead. I fight, you have to fight Francine if you get a slap off of Francine body. You hear my youth? It is not, and it's not gonna be easy. Fuck, we don't take this thing for. Come and act like Cargo just come in and see your wife asleep and tie her up and beat her. Boy, you're an idiot. Every man and the woman fight. And 99% of the time are them wicked girl are the problem. Because through they know say everybody have a jump. Dirty Janko, how you never come away and fight the last suit and 100,000 Francine have to park out. Me see how some people come and chat about me never had nothing now for pussy wall. I 8 bedroom down on the bottom of my house. Plus the garage cut up in a 4 more bedrooms, so that a 12 bedroom down on the bottom of my house. And I have this round 7-8 years before me meet Francine. What the fuck would you come and feel like? Me I drive nice car before me meet Francine. Me bus from 2010. When me meet Francine, me buy land, build a house a long time. No disrespect. You see someone a junker, but everybody at them 4 o'clock coming. Me and my woman fight, and if she come back, we will fight again. The next time, she don't fight me when me sick. Because I can tell you, sir, Francine can run faster than me. Francine can work out harder than me. She can work out longer than me. Francine an athlete. Janko. One hour no girl buck up Francine in the street and fight her for me. Just fight her. Just test it and fight my wife. Me want to turn up and look. Me want to see me a walk through man different. And you just fight Francine. Go ask your daddy why she rape your mom and get you. We fucking fight. A fight is a fight. A fight is a fight. Go suck your mama. I've made her with a police girl, she have to put on her gun and we fight. If a soldier we a fight. Me and me woman have to fight. There is no girl you may ever go there with her. If you're not willing to take a fight out on birthday and not go work. Suck with yourself and go. Me and every girl you may ever do with fight. No. Them no fight with me. Me bully them. Me tell you no from morning, me a girl bad man my out. I care zero. Me not fight no man on road because me no love man. You understand? But Francine is the only woman when me can't get to have my way with. That is the reason why me love the girl them smaller than me, so they're afraid of me. When you're there with that woman who start to look straight in your face and 2-inch taller than you have an advantage. And it coming like me have to go find one girl when nah walk we just frightened for me. Francine no frightened for me. We fight. We fucking fight and she come a war zone. Dirty Janko, when you don't see me and Francine come down and when I fight to fight 90% of the time Francine want to put on what she want to put on and when I have to fight for she not put it on. How the fuck you take this thing for? The good and the bad when me come with. Go suck on yourself. Yes, me have a good wife. Yes, go suck on yourself and go, but at the end of the day we have to fight. Girl, your crotch is good. You're willing to buy me house, you're willing to buy me car, you're willing to do everything. But you don't want no fighting at you. Me don't want no girl, you don't want no fighting at them. You hear? I mean it's not our son. I don't know who fling the first lick. We fight. You know hear me say, I did not beat my wife, you know. We fight. I mean not take no lick for her. Let me tell you something. 2 teachers try to beat me and one of them kill me partly kill them down at Craig School. Me, especially girl, me not take a lick for a woman my out. Me not take a lick for a woman my out. You could have teacher. If a police girl see me in the road and I lick me can tell you say me take out my machine and chop her up. You easy to eat that. Me see some police woman and lick me. You can't do that. If a police woman lick me my yard, me have give up my life and find me spot to live and chop off your head. Woman not supposed to lick man. What the fuck would you feel like my yard? You don't know how the fighting start? The fighting start because I bring my son at the 3-story wall less of it don't walk down there. The step. I don't know what happened, but all me know say me see my wife Jackie picking out of my hand. I don't know she push me, but me push her and she fall. And she get up and she start fire lit. And me a chastise my son. When you are beat him, me don't say nothing. And the first time me a beat him, look on that high step. You left wave around us up. And that happened. Simple that. Me don't know if actually two we have corona, my youth. The corona fuck up the two away heavens. But all me know say, brother, me don't go feel when somebody push me off. Take away. And me push her back. You understand what I'm saying? And that's how the fight start. So why you not come and talk about? What you come and talk about? And my son, me a chastise for him don't kill himself after this. So me tell him a million times, don't want this, so walk the regular road, we just build the step. And you come and talk at that. So what you don't kill? You don't come out of people's business. Because no family girl there come and act like somehow you forget some blood clot licked up. Somehow no girl no fit get big man fit tap in your belly and tap in your throat, just no kill you no, because you're a devil. Somehow no give all different type of man jacket, you know have 6 bumbuckler picking and the 6 of them have 6 different daddy and 2 of them are for your real daddy and 3 of them are for your brother them and 1 of them are for your sister man and the fuck when you come. I come out to tear down people's life. When you can't tear down people's life, who no life, alright? Me want to see the man who no you have not seen through the first one. Every boy probably used to fight their woman. Some of you all fight, you know, mama too. Some of you girl picking here the fastest to fight, you know, blood clot mama. All of you woman probably used to fight, you know, mama go suck on the mama and go. You can't tell me say me and my wife can't fight. We fight all the while. Anyhow, we don't have that talk. All our bills, them pay with bills, them and we know we fight. Sometimes the bills fuck up with and we war over simple little things. We war physically 3 times or 4 times, but we war verbally every day. 90%. And we're good. Somehow we don't just come out of people's business, man. Somehow we don't beg still they on black. I don't come and talk about who no did see when me hit her. Who no just see when I defend myself because Francine was better than me and that day. Bumbuckler to no come and talk about. And if Francine no choose to come back to me the next day when me there we have a fight too. It is a fight. Me no want no girl no fighting at them. Me have to test your badness too. Me all of this talk where you talk, every time you talk, you just a back answer. Me have to test your badness one night time when you want ears and see if how hard you can lick back. And if you lick me too hard, me step up the pressure. I just say word. Every man and the woman fight. Satan and God fight and God have to kick her out of Mount Zion. Why don't I try to tell me something? Yes, if Francine, me can fight Francine. I bully me have to bully back Francine. Fuck with the trouble tell me something. None of them here, so I must see younger Shelly and Fraser, them also athletic more than Francine. Francine now bowling. But it's my wife, I love her. I'm my wife. But let me tell you something. If she choose to not come back and she find her next man, them have a fight. See, I can tell you something. The man before me, they fight. They fight. So what? True, no know, say, okay, cargo in a money potential and you having, I mean, career, not try to tear down, you know, you think because we fight, dirty pussy wall, you know, just don't fight. Some man no crutches think like a dead dog and come and try buy out people argument. I mean, notice, you know, I always, you know, dirty stinking whoring girl with spot. Some man no walk a bank, but you know, go to Pally Royal at night time and you come and talk. Dirty jam crowd, you know, fight. You take over your daddy or your mama and fight there, so and God in a bed. Eh? Why you come and think? Yes, me love my wife, but he never said we not go fight. But I can remember somewhere down in Maryland 2014, we signed on for we said it better or worse, good or bad. You have to take me as I am with just one play. I never that we said. You said that was your favorite song. You know me a bad boy. You know me have enough girl and me give them all up for you. But if me a crackhead, me will take back crack same way, but you know me all who work for a man and you know me a bad man. You know these type of things, you know say me love fight. Ah, God alone me start love more than fight now because me never know say God was so nice. What is no problem? Now me not talk about them now since it out and me see the star and everybody around. Go so no mama all who write the star. All batty man a fight. Man left woman and run gone to man and things say yo it is pretty because man say tired to fight with this girl. And I the baddest fighting ever have. Girl left man and run gone to woman and say yo me tired to fight. And the Janko them a fight and them a fight us and man let me tell you something man. Instead of the try to tear apart, it better I say man, you go suck on yourself too, Cause we fight too. We fight too. We fight too. Somehow if you just come and say, man, let me tell you God Almighty truth. We fight too. Me I wonder how they did that take so long to fight. I just that there say, somehow you need to just say, Kaka Ford Francine, boy, me I wonder how you live so nice. Welcome to the fight club. Welcome to the fight club. Just talk your truth. Somehow you know all man and all woman need to tell you no pick the truth. Say you know I did all whore too. You did a crackhead too. The reason why you live until now is through God have been hand pound. Dirty Janko no feel say none of we are go through this earth and escape. And nobody no fight them mama like uno woman. You no fight no mama like dog and boy fight their daddy. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. None of we no perfect. And me no come boy here so like me I call up play go suck no mama and go. Cause me no need nothing from none of you. As long as God still a bear whatsoever you plant in the earth, I will never come and bow. All when me wrong brother, me right like a chink. Who no fight? Jamaica fight different from foreign fight. When me do a foreign and a fight, a crows me a crows. But when me there Jamaica know say yo me can go over my neighbor go catch and me can go down a St. Anne's and me can go a Craig and me can go a St. Elizabeth. Damn! Different set of fighting. And me can all make some bombs and go same place out of St. Thomas for your family them and then have to put me up too. Me fight more powerful. And me see say you fight more powerful too. Because the two of we know say yes. We're there on the land of ass whooping now. Here what you know say now, if I did me, because you know say me could have go a court to, me could have go report to you know. Because I just because me never bleach out myself, me couldn't see no mark for me. I just because me lack a cream from the other day, me sick and me never put on the cream. If me did put on the cream, you know that see ass whooping for me too. But through me never bleach out, you know, get to see no ass whooping and through Francine Brown. When you see the ass whooping, say look like I come in and I beat Zara and I beat. But suck on yourself, yeah man. Me don't know yeah man. Eh? Who no fight? Everybody fight. But yeah man, we finally catch him because I tell you something. When the devil can't catch you, you know what he do? He might go after your pet then. Okay? Because so come on I'll pass that beer and the human fight. Obama and Michelle fight. Michelle give him some raw slick when she ready. After you see Obama, you know you can't manage Michelle. Unless you go take proper karate class. You think Melania and Donald Trump no fight? I said if Mr. Andrew Holness' wife want to talk the truth, I will tell you, so let me tell you something man. All men are dogs. And he said, if you take a hog out of the hog pen, out of the mud and put it on white tile, it is just a hog. And he said, if a donkey born in a puss pen, it is not a pussy man, donkey. Me a dog shit. Me a dog shit. So all because they ask him, say, man, me no know this, a man a take so much thing in the music. Because nobody can. This a nigga you no take chat, people get flashed down with big stoner. We fight your fuck. All my uncle them and their woman fight. Uncle Louis and Sharon fight. Mas Junior fight. Mas Junior anti-punci fight, everybody fight. My sister them fight, my sister them tab up man like a fuck all the time and go to prison. Man, me come from a bad family, yeah, man. Me just not like feel small, brother. Me fight. I true, me know say music I take care of me. Just see some boy style me in the music. I me no hide them and chop off piece of them face a long time. I just saw me and me woman fight and me missy fight. Just like how me missy fight twice as much as me missy fuck. Because me can't back my fist. That's so kind of woman go here. Me say me missy fight twice as much as how me missy fuck. Because this is me born with my own crutches in my hand and my own. See my crutches here. From Francine God, me back my fist 36 times. Me no fuck no other girl. Me back my fist 36 times and make me see to the weekend. Why? You in a problem tonight, all 5 finger catches. I don't want to slap you too hard. Mwah. You have strong work for you tonight, I tell you. Eh? Fuck you don't feel like my heart. Why don't you see man and the woman fight to say welcome to the club? 36 times I back my fist from Francine God, twice a night. And me get a chance to go around there, so after me done them don't play that, it's hard again. Wow. What me have to do? You think say me have to go out the road just and show them girl and know say man rich, me just go out there and go fuck anybody and make them go put me ball. But ask them, me are the only artist who not afraid to tell them say me back my fist and any boy with their prison for pass 1 week and he no back in fist and have a man in a jail. No. I feel have a boyfriend. See? And as me, yeah, me make some snap me have a remote bed. I juke me and my wife in it. Me turn to the next best thing. Me turn to me woman who spot. Nah call police for me. He nah give me no talking. He nah back answer. Me 5 finger girl. Rebecca. I love you, Rebecca. Rebecca, look how much problem me give you. Look how much time me burn you. I was avoiding you, Rebecca, for 7 years, Rebecca. And me nah give you no time because me have pretty Francine. But Rebecca, me see say you're loyal to me, Rebecca. Cause so good yourself. If some boy did a wife up Rebecca and I go marry you. If Francine divorced me, this right hand of mine because left hand me use every other thing, you know. But that nasty girl, yeah, me have to marry the man. Me have good on that jewelry store down a man the name. Something another something. Right on the front. I have good on there and buy one nice little ring, put it on that pinky finger here because let me tell you something. You? Me just like how me is a professional artist, me is a professional fist backer. Me back me fist in a season, out of season, on top of season, side of season, all year round. All when Francine in a bed, me gone in a bathroom and beard and cock long and me jerk off in there, go suck on the man. Don't have gold mat. Me have to marry this finger. Every man pious about their fist, and every girl pious about their crutches. Everybody here so is as guilty as amen. And everybody but Rebecca. Rebecca have a perfect fit. Rebecca can't talk back.
That was it for the show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of the viewers that stay until the end of the show. I really appreciate it. Bless up on yourself and go and live good.
Legacy man have to set on earth and show my son. The type of life I'm a face I feel happy when the trophy come. Cause only God